Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Chase credits on the Lyft app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and make sure that you use your Chase credits on the Lyft app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So the way to actually do it is that if you log onto your Lyft app, then click on New, then scroll down and click on Payments. Let's go ahead and click on Add Payment Method. And so with that, you want to make sure that you add in your Chase card. So you can see here that currently my Chase Sapphire Reserve is connected. So yours might look different from mine depending on whether or not it's connected. But go ahead and connect your Chase Sapphire Reserve card. Once your Chase card is actually connected, you'll see here that there's on the top left where it says $10 off with Chase. This is automatically going to be applied to eligible rides. So the $10 credit renews on the first day of each month, and you do need to have a Chase Sapphire Reserve. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Chase credits on the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.